Greeting words. This is Blackhat Asia 2020, and we, Greymatter, very happy to be here today to show you our project Sharkcop AI, machine learning and image processing in phishing protection. This is our team. The guy on the left is Kawangtu, me is in the middle, I'm Ang, and the right side is Chen Hyuna. Me and Nam currently studying in University of Science and Technology of Hanoi, and Huang Tu is studying in National University of Vietnam. So, as you know, phishing is a pain. 30% of confirmed data breaches involve phishing. According to Verizon's 2019 Data Breach Investigations Report, 1/3 of all data breaches involve phishing in one way or another, and also 1.7 billion in losses resulted from BEC/EAC crimes in 2019 alone. The FBI found that 3.5 billion in losses reported as lost in 23,775 internet and cyber crimes complaints in 2019 resulted from business email compromise complaints. So yeah, phishing is a pain. But not just around the world. In Vietnam, Facebook phishing scams are very common because a large number of Vietnamese they use internet without advanced knowledge. Even famous artists, celebrities in Vietnam were hacked by this method. And of course, thousands of Vietnamese credentials are being sold every day for hackers, sales, criminals, and they are all consequences of phishing. So we should end this right. We should avoid it. But how? So, PhishTank is a database of phishing websites updated manually by the community every day, and we all know that, right? But it cannot fight against this problem in real time. Because why? This data is submitted by users, and it has to be verified after some time. Okay, and phishing training the companies and organization are trying to do, sending the staff to some training center to fight against phishing by some kind of knowledge. But well, it consumes a lot of time and money, and of course it is so complicated that old people or some guys struggle with technology. So what are the better solutions? Well, at least we find a way that using AI to anti this problem in real time. Our team has developed Sharkcop with a wish to end phishing by using some well-known AI technology to fight against phishing. It's machine learning and computer vision. To be more specific, let's get to the next slide. In SVM classification, firstly we think about the features or technical properties can be found in the phishing website. This could be SSL, Alexa ranking, website structure, or is some kind of URL format, punicles, and of course a lot of features. We convert the data that we collected into many dimension vector space and label each vector in phishing or not phishing, and finally train them. So the model, SVM model, will learn its best way to classify a website is phishing or not from the data. And image processing, of course, we capture about 50 banks logo in Vietnam and train the AI to recognize them. Well, when the logo is recognized, Sharkcop will check for the domain of the bank, and if the domain is not belong to the bank, Sharkcop will process its front-end code to recognize login from phishing suspicious detail. Okay, time for some demonstration. Let's watch our tool in action.
Okay, for now, let me quickly demonstrate the code base of our tool. It consists of two parts, the API server and the Chrome extension. The Chrome extension has been demonstrated from the previous part of this video. So you can see it right here. The code base of our extension is like pretty much every other Chrome extension. It will extract the URLs from Messenger windows, and then it will fire some request to our server right here. The server will receive URLs only and predict if those URLs are malicious or not. As you can see it right here, the API server is coded on Python framework Flash, which will act as a communication channel with our machine learning model. We use SVM classification algorithm for our model, which was trained by URL data we harvested from the web and from the site fishtime.com, which is a public site for fish fight and yeah, that kind of things. We will analyze some key features. We'll analyze some key features, such as if the URLs has SSL certificate or not, if there's an @ symbol on the URL, if it is a subdomain, if it is an IP address, and vice versa. We analyze about 30 features like this, and we will use those features as inputs for our machine learning model. So that's pretty much everything about our tool. Okay. Hello everyone. So I'm gonna demonstrate to you how our tool Sharkcop, a phishing detector using machine learning, works. So Sharkcop is currently working as a Chrome extension. You can see it right here. I have imported it as a Chrome extension. We found this the quickest and the easiest way to deliver the tool. Our extension will extract URLs from the messages, and it will analyze some basic features of the websites pointed by the links, and it will try to predict whichever URL is malicious or not. As you can see right here, I am being sent some message. Okay, so this is a website which I have received from a stranger. Let's say a stranger. This is a phishing site, and our tool will cover the link on the Messenger window with red marks, as you can see right here. And this is a phishing site.
Okay, kinda interesting, right? Thank you, Wangtu. So, let's talk about the future of Sharkcop. Sharkcop will continue to improve itself and get more accurate from the data, and our database will be updated regularly to build a real-time phishing database like FishTank. We also have worked with Vietnamese Ministry of Information and Communication, National Cybersecurity Center of Vietnam to help protect citizens from phishing in COVID-19. Sharkcop will be open source and public for everyone to receive its protection. And I hope this will contribute to a better internet, a safer internet. And also hope that all of you be safe from the virus and from the phishing. Okay? Thank you. I hope you have interesting time, and if you are interested in this project, feel free to contact us on the website youngit.org. Thank you.